Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Kiki London have just launched their new spring gel polish collection and it's absolutely beautiful. It's called the Spring Bling Collection. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing this collection and sharing my swatches with you. And as I'm a brand ambassador for them, my affiliated link is in the description box below along with my discount code for you to use as well. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on, and please like this video. These things really do help out my channel, thank you. The Spring Bling Collection is a collection of 8 unique pastel shades infused with glitter to produce a beautiful holographic shimmer. When I first saw the name, I was like, this has got to be sparkles, and it has not disappointed at all. They are in their usual 7.3ml bottles, and of course they have the names on the back of them along with the Beauties Without Bunnies logo, so they are cruelty free and vegan friendly. We also have a new stockist alongside already the Netherlands and Spain. We now have a stockist in Germany, which is very exciting. So I'll be using the rubber base coat along with their no wipe rubber top coat. I won't be doing any of these swatches matte for this collection. I also have 2 of the Pro range brushes, the angled and the detail brush, along with their alcohol wipes. I use them to wipe my brush on and they smell absolutely amazing. I also have their lint free wipes. They are so comparable to the wax strips that I used to use, and all of these products can be found on the Kiki London website. My swatches will however be slightly different. I'm going to be swatching them onto my silicone hand, just trying to change things up a little. You will still see popstick swatches on the screen throughout the video as well. With these tips I have removed the shine so the gel polish will apply better. These tips are like the April Gel X tips. They're the really hard tips, and I just picked these up off of AliExpress. They work really well with the silicone hands where you can push them inside because they don't actually move around, so they're really nice for that. So I've already applied the rubber base coat off camera, and the first colour is called Angelite. This is a stunning glacier blue which has a slight undertone of lilac with a holographic shimmer glitter. It's truly beautiful. Angelite is a semi-precious stone and this looks so much like it. So I'll apply my first coat, trying to make it as thin and even as possible. With these gel polishes you can go in with 1 thin coat for a light coverage or 2 coats for full coverage. It is really hard to capture the true beauty of these gel polishes on camera. My camera really didn't like it. They do apply really nicely, and I'm curing all the layers in my Kiki London 96 watt UV LED lamp, and I'm only curing the colours for actually 30 seconds. And when I go in and apply the second coat, you can see that Angelite really does build up nicely in the 2 coats. It is the first time I've ever used these tips, so I've got to get used to them. They are really curved. Whether you go for clear or natural popsticks or tips, Angelite covers really well. And with Angelite, it would be a colour that I would use all year round. I can see flowers in the spring, but I can also see snowflakes in the winter. So this is Angelite all finished and top coated. The shine from that top coat really makes the shimmer shine through even more. It's not quite picking up the holographic effect, and Kiki London have nothing like this in their collection of already large collection of gel polishes. I can see Angelite being very popular. So because I didn't do any matte swatches, I did feel that these gel polishes would work over existing colours, so I've applied a thin coat of Angelite over the top of 2 blues from Kiki London. On the left it's over Dreamcatcher, and on the right it's over Blue Serenity, and they both look gorgeous. So there is plenty of options on how to use these beautiful gel polishes. Romantic Spark is a sweet pink shade and it's packed full of champagne gold and holographic glitter. I do see this as a dusky pink colour. The first coat of Romantic Spark is amazing and it really has amazing coverage. So I'm just going to repeat the same again. So this collection will be on pre-sale first, and once that has ended it will go to its normal price, and then they will be available individually. I can however see this collection being an absolute sellout, so I would get in there fast. With Romantic Spark, I would also see this as another all year round colour, and that's because of its dusky side. It's very popular. And I will say that the holographic shimmer glitter gel polishes are much harder to create manis over, but I will be creating something with each colour, and they will be going over on my Instagram as soon as I have created them. So this is Romantic Spark all finished and top coated. Such a beautiful colour, and again, can't really see the holographic sparkles, but believe me, they are there. And I will show some outside bright sunshine pictures at the end of the video, and that's where you'll really see these come to life. So with Romantic Spark, I went and applied this over 2 pinks from Kiki London. On the left, Petal Kiss, and on the right, Spring Fling. You can really see the colour difference over the top of these colours. So there is going to be plenty of pinks Romantic Spark will work over, but it is such a pretty colour. Champagne Spritz is a stunning light gold with a holographic shimmer glitter. I don't usually use a lot of golds because it's not a gold colour I like. However, Champagne Spritz is the perfect gold colour for me to use, and it's going to work all year round, maybe as an accent nail or a full glitter mani. It's going to work alongside so many different colours. Now with Champagne Spritz, I didn't apply it over any colour, basically because I didn't like how it looked. So instead, for this swatch, I've applied 3 coats to show you how they build up. Now, do you really need 3 coats? No, you don't. But I like to be different and show as many different things as possible in my videos. One thing I did notice was that there isn't much of a tacky layer, so if you're going to add things into a tacky layer, you might need to apply a layer of the rubber base coat first to give you that tacky layer. I can't wait to see how I use Champagne Spritz in a mani. I do feel it's going to look amazing next to darker colours. Now with this colour, it does seem to be showing a lot more of the hollow sparkle off underneath my camera, but I can also see this being a absolute sellout colour, especially if you're like me on shades of gold you like. But what an absolutely stunning gel polish. Now Champagne Spritz is all finished and top coated. I only did 3 coats on the middle finger, and to be fair, there really isn't much of a difference between the 2 or 3 coats. It will just be down to personal preference at the end of the day, but a really beautiful colour. Aqua Azure is an aqua blue colour which is packed full of silver and blue holographic glitter in a blue jelly base. Now personally, I see this more as a green than a blue in person. Maybe that's just how I see it. It's still a fantastic colour though. It is more on the sheer side, I would say. I would either do 3 coats or apply it over another colour, which I will show at the end. I will say that I feel that some are more pigmented than others. So one thing I did notice when applying these gel polishes is that I was getting some pooling at the tip end, and that was also on the popsticks as well. I've not changed how I swatch or anything, and it's not something I've experienced with Kiki London colours before. So all I did was just go over the end of the tip again, just to smooth everything out just before curing. Now from now on, I've not applied the rubber base coat. I forgot to add it on this swatch, but obviously if you're applying it to your nails, you need that base coat for protection. On these nail tips, it really doesn't matter. Aqua Azure does build up nicely in the 2 coats. It's such a pretty colour, and again I can see it being used in spring, but also autumn and winter as well. I don't look at collections and think just for that season. I look outside of that and how much I'm going to get use out of it, and hopefully it will be all year round. So this is Aqua Azure top coated and all finished, and it looks amazing. Again, this colour is going to be super popular. Some of these colours I already have ideas for manis with, and others are still on that drawing board. Now with Aqua Azure, I went with 2 greens from Kiki London. On the left we have olive mint and on the right meadow green, and it works so well. I will say that the spring 2019 and spring 2020 collections will work the best underneath the Spring Bling Collection, and that's mainly what I used for these swatches. I like that they look very different. Blue Lagoon is a sparkly blue turquoise with a silver holographic shimmer glitter. This is definitely one of my favourites, and it's absolutely perfect for spring and summer manis. It does look more blue in the video than what it looks like in real life, and I don't edit colours at all. That's just not me. The pictures of Blue Lagoon are more of what the colour actually is. All of these colours are so unique and perfect for everyone. There isn't one colour that I don't like. They will definitely make some absolutely gorgeous manis, and I can't wait to start using them in upcoming manis. There is just so many things that you can do. You can even use them for nail art as well. I do have a mani planned coming to my channel, and I'm going to change one of the colours for one from this collection, so you'll be seeing me use one of them on my nails very soon. Also, don't forget to check out the Kiki London YouTube channel, as I'm sure Amanda over there will be creating a video with the Spring Bling collection. I can see Blue Lagoon being used a lot in the springtime, but along with summer as well. They will also create great bases for adding raw hollow glitter over the top, or even some crystals. So this is Blue Lagoon. It's now all finished and top coated and looks absolutely beautiful. I'm really liking seeing these swatches on my silicone hand. It really gives a good idea of what it's going to look like on real nails. I do understand that the silicone hand isn't everyone's favourite thing though. So with Blue Lagoon, I just knew the two colours I picked would be perfect. So on the left we have Pool Party. This is a perfect match, absolutely. And then on the right we have Fiji Water. You can see it's a little bit patchy in places, but again, another really good match. And there was another one, and that's Zesty Blue. Blue Lagoon, I feel, is a must-have colour and will be very, very popular. Ice Queen is a icy jelly silver gel polish with a holographic shimmer glitter. It's like a party on the nail. Now the first coat is very sheer, so depending on how you like your nails to look, either 2 or 3 coats. However, you could add this over the top of Silver Shrine and that would look absolutely amazing. Now, just like Champagne Spritz, with Ice Queen I've not added it over the top of any colours. Again, it really didn't look nice, so I do want to have a play around with these two. However, some people might like it. Ice Queen is definitely going to jazz up any mani, and I will say that it's a must-have colour, just like Champagne Spritz is. They are both going to work alongside so many of the Kiki London colours. The list is endless. Now, if you wanted even more hollow, you could add some of diamonds over the top as well. Like I said earlier, I like to think outside the box, but Ice Queen is another that will work all year round, and one season I know it will work probably the best will be for them winter nails. With nail techs going back into the salons here in the UK, this is an amazing collection to return with, but also it's an amazing collection for home users to have them sparkly nails as well. And I really can't wait to hear what people think of the Spring Bling collection. So this is Ice Queen, now all finished and top coated. It's so pretty. Now you can still see it's a little sheer in places, so just bear that in mind. Ice Queen is a must-have gel polish for anyone's collection. It is just truly beautiful. Amber Flame is a beautiful, vibrant amber orange gel polish full of gold holographic shimmer glitter. Now, I wasn't expecting a colour like Amber Flame to be in a collection, but it is such a unique colour and I think it's great to have something different in a collection like this. I'm not sure how much I will use it in the spring and summer months, but when autumn hits, it's going to be the perfect colour to have. Amber Flame has a really nice coverage in the 2 coats, and amber orange colours aren't something I use a lot for in manis, but I can sit here and think of quite a few colours that Amber Flame is going to work beautifully next to, like Chocolate Melt, Caramel Swirl, Hazelnut, Sunset Glow, Blood Orange, just to name a few. Now for me personally, I would love to see Kiki London expand this range to cover the darker colours for autumn and winter, like holographic red, holographic dark blue, holographic dark green. But honestly, this is a must-have collection. You will not be disappointed. If you love Kiki London, then you are just going to love these. Now all of these swatches on the silicone hand and popsticks will be going over to my Instagram page as well. I know that the silicone hands aren't for everyone, but I really enjoyed doing something different. Now I will be honest that my pictures aren't the best with my shaky hands and holographic glitter. It's really hard, but I will try to get some better outside ones though. So this is Amber Flame all finished and top coated. It really does look so pretty, and you can sort of see the holographic coming through. This collection is very different in natural light than it is in full sunshine. So with Amber Flame, I went with 2 colours that I felt would work best underneath Amber Flame. So on the left we have Oh Vanilla, and on the right we have Beaches and Cream. Again, 2 very different looks. I like to see Amber Flame underneath a yellow like Buttercup, but again, Amber Flame is so gorgeous. Violet Daze is a beautiful purple gel polish with a hint of gold holographic. The holo is very faint, I feel, in Violet Daze, but it is still beautiful. I can remember when these arrived, Violet Daze was the very first one I opened, and I was amazed at how pretty it was. And as I'm a purple fan, this is my favourite, along with Angelite and Blue Lagoon. Violet Daze has amazing coverage, and you could very easily get away with just 1 coat if you wanted to, because to be honest, I didn't really see much of a difference between 1 coat and 2 coats. I do think this will be one of the first I use on my nails, and again there is a few purples that it will work alongside as well. So what do you think to this collection? Are you going to be ordering it? Maybe adding it to a wish list? Also, what is your favourite colour? Kiki London love feedback, so I'll be passing them on as well. I love this collection. It is so different, and not just the same pastel cream colours we're used to. They are fastly becoming one of the one-stop shops, which I just love. Also, don't forget to check out their social media and join their Facebook group. There will be lots more swatches of Spring Bling Collection from the other brand ambassadors. I can't wait to see everyone's swatches, but for me, Violet Daze is another must-have colour. I know purples are very popular, and I can see me using it a lot, and especially for my fibromyalgia mani next month. So this is Violet Daze all finished and top coated. So pretty. Hopefully if I can get it filmed, my next video will be featuring Violet Daze in a gorgeous mani that I've had planned since back in January, so hopefully I can get that filmed, and I can't wait to share it with you. So with Violet Daze, there was 1 colour I knew it would work with, and that's Just Lavish, and that's the swatch on the left. They are literally the perfect match. They're absolutely gorgeous. But then there was another colour, Cotton Candy, and I also felt that it would work as well, and that's the swatch on the right. And even though Cotton Candy is a pink, it's another perfect match. So pinks and purples are going to be perfect with Violet Daze. It is such a pretty colour. So as I said earlier, I did get some pictures of these outside, and this is truly where they come to life. Now my camera had so many issues trying to focus on the nails. I must have taken over 500 plus pictures just to try to get the best I could for this video, but I do think these will be best seen in person. I will be trying to get some other pictures of these outside, because I feel these pictures just don't do them justice. But seriously, what a collection. Spring Bling is a must-have. I can't say it enough. Kiki London have created an amazing collection. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with mini video clips as well. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on the Kiki London Spring Bling Gel Polish Collection. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.